Smoothie time.
What's colder than being cold? This smoothie is. My body's celebrating right now. My stomach's going, oh my gosh, look at all these good things he's given us. I think I'm in danger of having a brain freeze. I got nothing on that one. King Kong ain't got nothing on this smoothie. It's still good. Hasn't gelled up one bit. It's going to.
Little mid-morning chemistry. Finishing up this and then I'm out of here. All right, I'm out of here. I'm going to the cave. Actually, first gonna stop at my house and get some coffee. My head's gonna explode. Mackenzie has some for me. See you in a bit. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I love you.
Love you.
All right, coffee in hand. Let's take a drive out to the cave. There are wasps all over this place. Inside. Bye-bye. There is one thing that is annoying about having to package all these pouches behind me, and that is that I have to count every single one of them and get it right. Otherwise, it's lost revenue or maybe revenue not accounted for because it never gets registered with Amazon. You notice how all these fit on here perfectly? You see how it stacked up real nice? That wasn't by accident. It will be hard to count these pouches if I don't have a pen. Need to get a pen. Here's a tip for you. If it's close to 4 in the afternoon on a weekday and you find yourself with a massive splitting headache, you may be experiencing caffeine withdrawals, in which case, drink more coffee. The goal on this one is 26. I don't think so. Not gonna make it in there, at least on the end. All right, that's 24. All right, 12 ounces are done. Let's move on to the 8 ounces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 boxes of the 12 ounce. I think I'm gonna need more of these 8 by 12, 15, 22, whatever. I'm gonna need more boxes. That's 22. Two. 16, 17. Well, my camera over here, this guy, dead. Well, it's not dead, I'm out of memory. Anyway, I gotta get another pallet. I'm out of pallet space here. I'm gonna get another pallet and put some more boxes on that and keep this party rolling. Come on, you're coming too. You're going in the box now. Yeah, that's 35. All right, last box, for sure. All right, let's finish this guy with some bubble wrap, and then I gotta go. I have to cut this into a couple pieces, we'll see. And maybe All right, there we go. By the way, this box is upside down. Let's not forget the little baby, shall we? I've got to go. It's 5:45. I got to make it home in time for my son's baseball game. Either I'm going or my wife's going. I got to go. Tomorrow or the next day, I'll be cleaning up in here. I got to get cleaned up in here and getting these shipping labels on the boxes. So that's all for today. End of Thursday, September the 4th. Take care.